In today's video, I'll show you how to update Calendly meeting location. This is the setting that tells your invitee where the meeting actually happens, and if you skip it, they book a time with no idea how to reach you. Let's jump in. I'm logged into Calendly and sitting on my scheduling page. Have a look at my event type card here, and you'll spot a little orange warning that says no location set. That's Calendly, telling me this event is missing something important. So let's fix it. I'll click on the event type itself to open up its settings. This panel is where everything about the event lives: the duration, the availability, the host, and about halfway down, location. I'll click on that to open it up. And here are my choices: Zoom, phone call, in person, and if I open up all options, there are more in there, like Google Meet and Microsoft Teams. For this one, I'm going to choose phone call. Now notice Calendly asks me how I want to get in touch, and it gives me two ways to do this. The first one, which is already selected, means your invitee types their number in when they book, and you call them. The second one flips it around, so Calendly hands out your number after they've booked, and they call you. I'll leave it on the first one. Now the important bit, and this is different from your availability settings. Nothing here saves on its own, so I have to click Save Changes down at the bottom. And that's it. Look back at my card, and that orange warning is gone. It now says phone call, so anyone booking me knows exactly what's happening. Quick word on the other options. If you pick in person, Calendly will ask you to type in a physical address, and that address gets sent out with the confirmation. And if you want Zoom, Google Meet, or Teams, you'll need to connect that account to Calendly first, over in Integrations and Apps, and then it'll show up here ready to pick. So that's it. Open your event type, click Location, choose how you're meeting, and hit Save Changes. Happy scheduling, and I'll see you in the next video.